Tired of manually typing data into Peachtree? This video will show you how to seamlessly import your Excel files into Peachtree 2010 so that you can add customers, inventory, and a ton of transactions. First, open Peachtree 2010 and navigate to the File menu. From the drop-down menu, select Import. Export. This opens up Peachtree's import and export settings. In the Select Import, Export window, choose the type of data you want to import. For example, if you're importing customer information, select Customers. Next, locate the Browse button and click to select your Excel file containing the data. Make sure your Excel file is saved in a compatible format, such as XLS or XLSX. Now that your Excel file is selected, it's really important to map the columns in your Excel file to the corresponding fields in Peachtree. This makes sure your data ends up where it needs to go. Once everything is mapped correctly, click the Import button. Peachtree 2010 will now start importing your data. The time it takes depends on the size of your file. After the import is complete, Peachtree will display a message indicating whether the import was successful. If everything's good, congrats! You will now see the newly imported data within Peachtree 2010.